Hey guys, we are at the River Plate Museum, MUSEO River. And it's also an Adidas store in here, which is an official River Plate store to pick up some goods. And there's also a restaurant. They have like burgers, pizza, things like that. But the tickets to get in, $13 per person for foreigners, $7 for local citizens. And that's just for the museum experience. There's also like another experience if you want to do a tour of the stadium. That's pretty much, I think, double price. But we're just gonna just head in, check out the museum, and then head to the store and maybe grab some shorts or something. All right, let's check it out. All right, guys, so we just made it inside of the River Museum. And the first thing they have here is some pictures, some autographed jerseys, and football, of course, of some of the players. And here's a championship trophy. And along this wall here is all of the people who donated money to make this possible. So we head in this windy way. It's gonna actually take us to the museum. And I guess on the way out is when we kind of get out towards like the Adidas store here. So yeah, we're excited to kind of check this out. The pictures and stuff online looks really cool. And being River fans, I think it's a must-do. And I don't think we're gonna be able to catch any other game the last month that we're here. But at least we can check this out and give you guys the experience. And if you guys come to Argentina, I'd highly recommend it. There's a lot of great reviews online and very new, very modern. So yeah, let's check it out. All right, guys, so that's pretty much everything for the museum part. You can see it's not too big, but it's very nice, very well put together. It's a lot of great history and artifacts from the team starting back from the early 1900s. And if you want to take, I guess, an additional picture here at the trophy, you can do so. So the entrance for the tickets was $13 per person for adults. And you can purchase them online. It's a lot quicker because there was a line outside if you wanted to pay cash and buy them at the front desk. So they have options to do that, or you can do a tour of also the stadium as well. I think it's probably double price, but since we already been to a game a month ago, we didn't need to do a tour of the stadium. So then lastly, we're going to just check out the Adidas store here and maybe pick up some merchandise. And this is the new jersey that just came out. It's actually really, really nice. I'm thinking about buying that, but I'm not sure. And the jerseys typically go from I think I saw online around 75, 80 bucks. And they also have some kid stuff. It's been hard to find things for Gen age. But they do have these hoodies. These are for a smaller size, 6, 12 months. But this is actually really cool. So like this jersey here is like $150. This is the authentic. It's long sleeve. And you can get the name of the player or your own name and team name number on the back. I'm trying to find a bigger size. It like only goes for 1 year, 12 months. So I think I'm gonna go with these shorts here. The second pair I picked out. Size medium. I think they look a little bit better than the newer shorts, and I prefer to wear black, and this is like a very dark gray. So yeah, I'm gonna go with these. If you can get your jerseys and everything customized here with your favorite player, put your personal name on it. It's pretty nice. And they used to have this set up, I think, for like the FIFA, football, PlayStation or something. I saw online, but I guess it's shut down now. See, I'm gonna just pick up the shorts, and I think that'll probably be it. All right, so I have to go to line and just give them my name. So that's gonna wrap it up for the River Museum experience. Hope you guys liked it. We definitely enjoyed it. Recommend it, especially if you're a River fan, to come check it out. There's a lot of great stuff inside of there, and the store is even better. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. See you. Please like and subscribe.